In this class today, we'll explore more on the content management system, that is WordPress. So WordPress is a content management system. As I explained you in the previous class, it is used to manage website easily without knowing any HTML or CSS or JavaScript. So that is the purpose of WordPress CMS. So as I explained you in the previous class, if you look at this particular website, that is htccwa.org website. So here, any website for that matter, it will have a header. The header consists of what you are seeing header. It will have a logo, the logo and the background image and the navigation, and navigation in turn consists of menus. Then also there will be a social links at the right hand side. So these social links are used for accessing the Facebook or Twitter or Instagram page of that particular website. So all these things together is called a header. So any site will have a header. At the same time, there will be a footer for the website. So the footer consists of things like contact us page and any previous articles, links, or a calendar, or sometimes some disclaimers by the company, terms and conditions of the company, anything which is useful as a extra information that is that will be placed in the footer. So we have seen the header and we have seen the footer, and whatever is available between the header and footer, that is called a body. So that is called body. If you can see in this particular page, the body consists of several posts, the several blog posts. See here, one is World Trade Center Gudinanda Shivratri Parvadinasam Vishesham. That is one post, and another post is like 71st Republic Day celebrations. That is another post. Another post is Vaikunta Ekadashi Utsavam. These are all the posts basically. So this particular website is designed such that it consists of all the posts in the front page, in the landing page. This particular page, which comes at the very beginning of this particular website, htccwa.org. Once you hit that website domain, whatever you see, this page is called a landing page. So the landing page is designed such that all the posts are brought to onto the landing page, whatever post you created. Similarly, the website has a right side navigation also. If you see, there is a quick updates pocket. This is, I will explain you how this is coming. This quick updates and the recent news, that is also coming on the right side, and there is a navigation, side navigation. So all these three things, the quick updates, recent news, and the side navigation, these are called widgets. So I'll show you how to control these particular things using CMS. Apart from creating the posts and pages, we can also control the look and feel of this particular website, like how to place the widgets, where to place a widget, and all that. That is what we'll discuss today. So if I go to the admin console once again, so that's where I'll show you how to control the look and feel of this particular website. So if I once you go to the admin dashboard, so in the admin dashboard, you can already explain you how to create the posts, how to create the pages and things like that, how to create the menus. I've already explained. Now we'll discuss more about the widgets. So if you go to appearance and widgets, or appearance and customize, here you can see in the customize button, you can see the options like the settings, okay, theme settings. So theme settings is nothing but how the sidebar is aligned. Sidebar is the right sidebar we have kept. So this right sidebar means whatever this right sidebar. You are seeing quick updates, recent posts, things like that, okay. Sidebar. Similarly, social media. So social media links we have given at the top. Okay. Next, top bar. So top bar is, we have not used this top bar feature. Footer text. Okay, footer text is something which we can put. This site is developed by so and so. So if you see this website here at the bottom, you can see that there is a text. This site is developed by Tech Talents. You can see this text, right? So this text is saying this site is developed by www.tech-talent. So now we can change this footer also. Suppose, for example, I want to remove this hyphen. I can remove this and immediately it will come as techtalents.in. This site is developed by techtalents.in. Without hyphen, you can see. So you can change the footer text also. Now we'll try to publish this. Once you change anything in the site, you must publish the site. Okay, so now that is published. So you can also see that if you go to the browser, you can see there is a new information at the footer, that is without the hyphen. Without the hyphen. So that's what you can see here at the footer. This site is developed by Tech Talents. So that is what we can make changes in the footer. Now we'll go to the other parts of that site identity. So what is site identity? It is nothing but the site title and a tagline. So you see this tagline. What is the tagline? It says, so the tagline is here in the header. You can see, together we help each other. This is the tagline. You can see, right? Below the header, header image, you can see that there is a text, together we help each other. So that is nothing but the tagline. So tagline is something. So title is something which you can see when the browser comes into browser is open. So that is, if you don't give the title, it will take by default the tagline. Here, together we help each other is still it is showing the same thing. So or you can put the some other title. Huda Trade Center Welfare Association, like this. So you can put the site title like that. See here, you can see the changes. Huda Trade Center Welfare Association, it has come the title on the browser. So that is how you can control the title and the side tagline also. And you can also site icon. Site icon is nothing but this image you can see at the browser corner. So suppose if you see this, there is an image, slight small image at the left side of the title. So that image is nothing but site icon. Site icon it is. Okay. So these are the things which we can control. Now going back to the customize, more features in the customize. So appearance and customize. If you see here, you can see that we already header image. So here you can see the header image. This is the image with the flowers and garden. That is the header image. Okay. Now next is your appearance and customize is over. Within customize, we were in the customize. So in the customize, background image. What is this background image? See, there is a background image light with a light image in the background. So that is nothing but, I'll explain you. Here you can see in the behind this body text, behind this body, there is a slight image of a park. Okay, you see on the right side, here you can see easily. Here there is a slight building picture and park picture. That is nothing but site background image. See the background image, you can see there is a background image with a park. So that is nothing but the background image. So you can change the background image if you want. So let's leave it aside. Now coming to the widgets. So what are the widgets? So as I told you, site look and feel can be controlled by using the widgets. Here you have a blog sidebar. Okay. So blog sidebar is nothing but whatever this sidebar. Here you have sidebar. You have three things: quick updates, recent news, and site navigation. So if you see here, in the blog sidebar, quick updates. So quick updates is the heading. That is nothing but here you can see quick updates. And how many you want to put, maximum items. So 5 items I want to put, 5 news items. Okay. And it will pick up from the recent posts. Okay. So that's why if you see here it is showing 5 scrolling. So 5 items are scrolling. It is showing. Okay. So that is one thing. Next is, so next widget is, you can see. So you can see the next widget. That is by going to the widgets button. You can see what all the widgets are there. As I told you, blog sidebar is one widget. In the blog sidebar, we have quick updates, we have recent news, and we have navigation, side navigation menu. So in the side navigation menu, you can put anything you want. So you can create a menu and attach it to the side navigation. So here sidebar menu is being displayed in the side navigation. So what is sidebar menu? See, you can go to the menus and see there is a sidebar menu. So how do you create menu is from menus button. Go to the menus button, and in the menus button you can see add menu. You can create a new menu, or you can select any new other menu. See, create new menu button is there, right? So that's how I created. So there are two menus here. One is the top menu, another is sidebar menu. So this sidebar menu we are using that in the widgets for the blog sidebar. So for the blog sidebar. So in the blog sidebar we have side navigation. Then we have page sidebar. Page sidebar, of course, we have not used it. Now we have footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, footer 4, like that. So these are also available. So footer 1 I have just contact us, and footer 2 I have previous articles. Okay. Footer 3 I have calendar. Okay. So these are nothing but you are seeing it here in the footer. Okay, we have seen the sidebar, we have seen now the footer. So these three footer widgets, contact us widget, previous articles, and a calendar widget, these are available here. Okay, that is how we control. Next, then customized widget area. So here also you can put some customized HTML if you want. So that is also we have put, but right now I have disabled that one. Okay, so if you want, you can put any information here. So that's all about today, that widgets thing. Now next thing is photo gallery. Okay, so you can create a photo gallery and add it to the website. So now the look and feel, the layout part is completed. Footer, header, body, side navigation, side blog sidebar, and bottom widgets. Using the widgets, we can control the footer and the layout of the site, look and feel of the site. Now we'll see another important thing, that is the how to display multiple images using the one gallery. So this is nothing but the gallery. So here in this gallery we can display the different pictures at one place. So how do you do that? Using photo gallery, this thing. So this photo gallery is nothing but the combination of several images put together is called a photo gallery. Okay. So here I have so many galleries. I have so many galleries. So you can create any gallery and add it. So suppose, for example, I have created Shivaratri 2020 gallery. Shivaratri 2020 gallery. it consists of all the images of respective to the Shivratri day function. Okay, so it has so many images. So where I am using this Shivratri gallery is nothing but I am using in the one of the posts. Okay, so if you see the posts, I have the Shivratri post. Okay, so in this Shivratri post, okay, in this Shivratri post, I have added the gallery. Okay, so suppose you see here, there is a gallery here. Okay, photo gallery is embedded in this Shivratri post. I'll show you. Uh, you can go to this particular view post. Okay, in this post you can see that there is a Shivratri. Okay, let me show the site for you. Okay, so if you go to the main website, there you can see the Shivaratri this thing. Okay, so in the Shivaratri this thing, you can see that there is a gallery. Okay, all the images at one place. So how did we get it? That is nothing but when you create a post, you have an option to add anything in the post. For example, here if I click, if I click, uh, let us say I want to add a gallery. How do I add? Already I have added a gallery, but how do I add it? In general, I show you add block. Here you have a photo gallery. Okay, if you add after choosing add block, you can search for photo gallery. Once you click photo gallery, there you will get the all the available galleries. See here, all galleries. So I have so many galleries. Okay, so that's how I added the Shivratri gallery. Okay, suppose if I add Sriramnavami celebrations gallery for this post, okay, I can see that post. I can see that gallery also here. Okay, for example, let us do preview only. So preview, you can see that there are two galleries. It will come. Okay, in the same thing. Okay, now okay, you can add only one gallery. So that's how you can add the gallery. Okay, so I showed you the gallery, photo gallery. So what is this photo gallery? This is called plugin. Okay, so this ready functionality of photo gallery or smart slider, these are ready available functionality. You don't have to code anything HTML or JavaScript. So you can, if you want to create the same gallery with the HTML, it is a big thing. Like you have to develop some website coding, HTML coding, where it will pick up the images one by one and it will display. It's a logic you need to build. But in addition, instead of that, there are some things called plugin. So the plugins are nothing but out of the box functionality built in. So here the photo gallery is nothing but a plugin. Okay, you see there is a photo gallery plugin. That is why I'm able to add the photo gallery, because I have that plugin. So you have so many plugins available in the WordPress.com website. If you want any functionality, readily available plugins are there. You just import those plugins and start using. Similarly, here I have Smart Slider. So Smart Slider also is a plugin where you can use it for just sliding. You can display a slideshow. You can display a slideshow using this Smart Gallery, Smart Slider functionality. So I have that also in our website somewhere. Okay, so I'll show you. So suppose here, if you go to the website, there will be a slider. There is a slider. Okay, so if we some temple complex, there will be a slideshow. Okay, there is a slideshow. Okay, our locality pictures. So that's how you can use the slideshow. Okay. So this is the thing about the plugins we can use. We can use any type of plugin. For example, vertical news scroller. The scroller which I have shown in the sidebar. Okay, so that is nothing but a plugin. Okay, so what we did is we imported the plugin and we added that as a scroller. See this scroller, vertical news scroller. The scroller is coming from that plugin. So what I did is I imported the plugin and I am using that plugin here. Okay, like that you can add any number of plugins from the, you can download the plugin from anywhere or from WordPress website. So for example, if you want let us say we want a stock code, okay, stock code plugin for WordPress. Let us say I want to display the stock market information. So see here, stock code plugin is there. So you just simply download the plugin and import it. Okay. Say for example, I downloaded this plugin, stock ticker. So it will take the stock market information and it will provide that. So I am just trying to import that plugin. So it is, I downloaded that plugin zip file. Now we'll try to import that plugin. So how do I import? Just go to this customize and then go to the okay, go to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you will see the plugins. In the plugins you simply add new button will be there. Simply add the plugin. So there is a add now, add new plugin. So in the add new plugin you can use the add new button and then import. So you can just upload. See here, once you click on add plugin, you can just upload the plugin button, and it will give you a upload button, upload option. See, once you click upload button, you see choose file. In the choose file you can upload whatever we downloaded from WordPress website. So here stock ticker dot zip is there. So you choose that file and then you install now. So it will start installing. So that is how you install the plugin. And how to use the plugin is, you will be given in the documentation of that particular plugin. Whoever has developed that plugin, you can. So once you install the plugin, you have to activate that plugin also. Install the plugin. First step is download the plugin, then install the plugin using the upload button. After installation, you just then activate it. That's the 3 steps. Okay. So how to use the plugin? You can check in the documentation of that particular plugin. So for example, here I have the stock ticker, right? So stock ticker is there. So here there is a documentation available. So you just go to the documentation and you can use it. How to use that plugin? You have to read the documentation and use it. So obviously, if you want to put the stock information, you need some APIs for that. So API, if you write the API, you can use the stock code plugin. So that's all about this WordPress tools. There are some other tools also available. You want see there is a donation plugin which I have used. Okay, so if you want to donate anything for this temple, you can use the donate plugin. So you can see that there I have used the donate widget, rather not widget, not plugin, it's a widget. So donation. Okay, so I have used the donation plugin. So here you can see that there is a widget which I have used for getting the donations. Okay, so how I will show you, that is appearance. If you go to appearance and widgets, there I have the widgets, right? So here you have uh, widgets. Okay, see this, there is a give donation form widget, which I have used. So that widget is coming, doing the donation link. So you can see here in my website there is a donation widget. Okay, so you can see this, there is a give donations, donation, see this link, donation link. So if you click on temple complex donation link, here you can see that there is a donation page is coming. So you can choose any donation, 200 like that, then you can write your name and then email address, whatever, and then you can click on the pay to this is the bank details, and then click the donation, donate now. So it will start the donation. So here uh, you have to transfer this money to these people, that's it. Okay, so these are all the features. So you have used so many widgets or plugins to get different functionality without worrying about HTML or JavaScript or CSS code. Using the widgets and plugins, you can control the look and feel and functionality as well. So that is how you can use this WordPress CMS, content management system, to control the website content, create, manage, and maintain the content. At the same time, control the look and feel of the content website. At the same time, control the functionality of the website. So all these things are very useful for a website to be very good looking and good functionality. So that's all about today's class about WordPress content management system. So in the next class, we will continue with more on website testing. So that will be taken by another trainer. So we'll discuss how to test a website for different functionalities of the website. What are the different methods available for testing, and what are the tools used for testing of any website. So stay tuned for my next class for knowing more about testing of a software testing in general. Thank you.